Listen.
Repeat.
Hello and welcome to English Skills 2024. Let's get started.
Master English Skills 2024.
Listen.
Is this the park?
Repeat.
No, this is the library. Is this the library? No, this is the hospital. Is this the hospital? No, this is the supermarket. Is this the supermarket? No, this is the bus station. Is this the bus station? No, this is the train station. Is this the train station? No, this is the cinema. Is this the cinema? No, this is the bank. Is this the bank? No, this is the pharmacy. Is this the pharmacy? No, this is the park. Is this Mr. Johnson? Yes, this is Mr. Johnson. Is this Mrs. Smith? Yes, this is Mrs. Smith. Is this Miss Taylor? Yes, this is Miss Taylor. Is this Mr. Brown? No, this is Mr. Johnson. Is this Mrs. Davis? No, this is Mrs. Smith. Is this Miss Parker? No, this is Miss Taylor.
If you're finding value in these lessons, please consider subscribing, liking this video, and leaving a comment below.